Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you a simple way of maybe doing a prayer bucket or a prayer jar, like how we normally know it. This is going to be for the Sunday school kids, and I come up with this idea. These are coffee canisters. I was collecting these for a while. I bought some popsicle sticks from the craft section of the Dollar Tree, and then I just use I did a little slit on the covers just to pop in the popsicle. After that, we're gonna glue these to the popsicle sticks. I'm gonna print out the different types of prayer, glue them to the top. And for the front covers, I use like the chalkboard construction paper, which of course you can use a chalk and write whatever you want on it, and then just cover them. I use dollar store crazy glue, so they're not that perfect, but I mean, it works. Alright, so I just wanted to show you a DIY, very inexpensive. I was collecting these for a while. Popsicle were $1 a pack. I got these from a friend of mine. So basically that's about it. And there you go. I call them prayer buckets. It's a way to teach our children the different types of prayer, when should they pray, mealtime, bedtime, etc. So hope you like it.